Hi, here is Quick Release One, world's first and only universal quick release solution compatible with all camera gear. And let us show you how it works. It locks on the screws on all plates instantly and securely. So with Quick Release One, you can switch from any camera gear to another just like this. From now on, you leave the plates on their gear and never touch them. There is no more losing and buying extra plates. No more carrying around tools or asking around for coins. Quick Release One will get you the speed and flexibility you have always wanted in a compact and ergonomic package. So getting those amazing shots will happen much more often. Quick Release One is here and it's ready for you. Now, let's roll the ad.